Canlaon erupts as of February 17 of 2025. There are currently 47 volcanoes which are actively erupting around the planet, a total which is one less than were erupting last week. One of these erupting volcanoes which has largely gone under the radar of those not immediately living nearby is the Canlaon volcano in the Philippines. Located in the center of the island of Negros, this volcano had been near continuously erupting primarily through weak but persistent ash emissions that rise no more than 1,000 meters above its towering summit crater. However, on occasion, larger ash emissions have occurred, including two powerful explosions that released pyroclastic flows on June 3 and December 9 of 2024. And now, here are this week's top stories, top volcano-related news stories. In Indonesia, due to the potential fear that a major eruption could occur at the Lewotobi volcano, its alert level was raised to its highest level, red. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, the Taal volcano erupted 3 times this week, via small explosive eruptions in its summit crater lake. And, in what is this week's top story, Etna paroxysm and lava flow. Italy's famed Mount Etna volcano has put on a spectacular show via both strong explosive and effusive activity in what marks its first true paroxysm of 2025. After essentially being quiet for the first month of 2025, Mount Etna's southeast crater came to life on February 6, producing a series of weak volcanic explosions. These explosions grew progressively stronger over time, and soon, more small vents opened up due to an underlying fissure to the west of the southeast crater. These vents ejected black and brown ash and threw bombs of lava as much as 250 meters into the air. As the frequency of these explosions continued to increase, the fissure grew to and then stopped about 800 meters west-southwest of the southeast crater. On February 8, the western end of said fissure began effusing lava, which despite what many reports say isn't technically basaltic. Instead, as you might have guessed from its slightly more viscous appearance when compared to say Kilauea basalt lava flows, this lava has a presumably more silica and alkali-rich composition of basaltic trachyandesite. This lava flow slowly crept down Mount Etna's snow-covered western flanks at a speed which averaged slower than a garden snail, 0.0269 miles per hour or 43.3 meters an hour.